Okay, first, let's copy something into the clipboard. So I select this, copy it to the clipboard, paste it a few times. So now the word hello is in the clipboard. And what I want to do is I want to summarize this web page using an LLM. So I navigate to the web page with curl that downloads the contents, and I pipe it into the DiLLMa tool, which is this LLM app. And the user query we want to do is we ask to summarize the contents. So this runs and it actually doesn't return anything that is visible, but it actually did return ANSI escape sequences. So if we paste, we now actually have this text that came from the LLM. So the web page caused this text to be created. If we try to paste it in a terminal, it doesn't actually execute by itself. So that is prevented. The same here with the bash shell in Visual Studio Code. There's a pop-up. But if we go to the macOS bash terminal, we actually get command execution by just pasting that string because we have this command that is being executed right here. If you look now at the contents of the web page, so I want to just show you, this is a very simple example of a page that just says, instructs the language model to simulate running this bash command, which emits these hidden ANSI sequences. And if you run the DiLLMa tool with the -v option, in the end, you can actually see the contents, how it is escaped correctly. And that is sort of a secure version that should always be rendered to the terminal whenever you print text that came from an LLM.